everyone! I would like to share the mini album I received from the Romance in Paris swap I participated in, hosted by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking. I already saw all the mini albums Rosa presented in her channel, and they were all beautiful, so I'll be happy to receive any one of them. So I opened my box, and first I would like to share this bag of goodies that my partner sent for me. So first is this card for my swap partner. So thank you for sending this card. Oh look, it's so nice. Look at this nice polka dot ribbon. It's so nice. It has some flower bases. And it says, "To my swap partner, I hope you like the album. Thank you so much for swapping with me. Christine Riley." Oh, thank you, Christine. So yes, I know, I saw all of the albums already, so I know exactly who this is. And I have some goodies. Oh, some gold cording. Thank you. I don't have this. Oh, look at these beautiful hearts. Thank you. And some gem stars. Some other gem. And then some buttons. Oh, these are nice. Thank you. I don't have anything like this. I really love my card. Thank you. And there's also some washi tape here. So thank you for that, Christine. So this is the mini album. And I just love these heart fillings that are inside the box. Oh wow, look at this album. Let's try to close it back again. So I believe it closes like this. So it looks so much better in person. Just love these sparkly flowers. This is the closure. This lovely Paris paper. Look at that. It's just so amazing to see it in person. I love this paper. Okay, so let's go inside. It's just so nice. I mean, the size is so good. It looks so compact. It's lovely ribbon. This is the C'est La Vie paper that Michael's had. This is great. Oh, I love this corner here. And the lovely pom-pom ribbon. Opens this way. Here is the tag. And I remember these. This is the next one. It's just so nice to see an album in person. So I believe this opens this way. Here are the tags. And there's a small lipstick and a small lips here, if you can see that. This lovely paper here. So I believe this is a tag here. And for journaling, very nice. That was the first page. So now this opens up again. It's very nice. I love all of this. It has little glints of foil here. And all these words. The other tag. Another one here. This is a heart with a lock. Okay, so now let's open this. It opens up again. A tag. And there is another tag inside here. Look at that, I really like this one. Now let's go to this page. So I like this I Love Paris. C'est la vie. This tag. So there is another page here, another tag. This tiny little Eiffel Tower. This is the next page. Very nice. There's another tag here. It's a nice paper. Look at this flower paper. Everything's just so nice. This is the other tag with a fleur-de-lis charm, and the tag behind this. And this is great. I like this a lot. So all these colors, and look at how the pink shows through. It's so neat that way. Okay, so let's close this again. Really like the cover. I like this Eiffel Tower, and I just love the size. So thank you, Christine, for swapping with me. I appreciate your goodies, and I appreciate this album. I thank everyone for watching this video, and I will leave a link to the album that I made for the swap. So I will see you next time. Goodbye.